Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all to online support program of week 6 of mathematics class 4. I am Sadia Sarfraz from APS 4 Tour Middle Wing Boys. Before starting the main syllabus of the week, let's discuss about hadith of the week. रसूल अकरम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने इरशाद फरमाया, जिसने रमज़ानुल मुबारक के रोज़े रखे इस हालत में कि वो ईमान वाला था और इससे सवाब का यकीन था, तो उसके पहले सब गुनाह बख्श दिए जाएंगे। रमज़ानुल मुबारक की एक मुसलमान की ज़िंदगी में बहुत ज़्यादा अहमियत है। सौम के लफ्ज़ी मायने रुकना है। इसकी तरबियत से इंसान गुनाहों, नाफरमानियों बल्कि हर किस्म की लग्जिशों से रुक जाता है। इसलिए ऐसे इंसान को साइम यानी कि रोज़ेदार कहा जाता है। हदीस मुबारक जो हज़रत अबू हुरैरा से रवायत है कि नबी अकरम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया, असोम यानी कि रोज़ा ढाल है। अब ढाल किस चीज़ से है? ढाल हर बदअमली से, हर नाफरमानी से, हर गुनाह से और हर अजाब से। ये ढाल इंसान की हिफाजत है। उसकी पनाह में आया हुआ इंसान सीरत और किरदार की रोशन मिसाल होता है और नेकी के हसार में रहता है। So students, now let's discuss about the syllabus outline of this week. So in this week we have to cover the last topics of chapter number 2 of mathematics class 4, multiplication and division. Now these topics are factors and multiples. So textbook pages included in this week are from page number 27 to 35 and practice workbook number 4. Text from workbook you have to cover page number 24 to 27. So now let's start with the basic topic of the chapter, which is included in this week is factors. So first of all we have to know what is the main definition and what is the main criteria of finding the factors of any number. So first thing which is about factor is numbers that are multiplied together to get a product. Product means we have to multiply the number, multiply two or more than two numbers to get the proper number. That number whose factors we are going to find out. Here we have the example in which we are going to find out the factors of the number which is 12. So the factors which are written over here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So these are the numbers which are multiplied with other number. Then we get the product of the main number. Main number is 12. That we multiply the number with the other number, like here. In this example, when we multiply 1 with 12, then we get an answer which is 12. And if we multiply 2 with 6, then we again get an answer which is 12. If we multiply 3 with 4, so these both are the factors of 12. We will say that these are the factors of 12 because when we multiply these two numbers, we get the answer which is 12. So the numbers which are used to find out the product of this number, we will say that these numbers are the factors of the number which is going to be solved. So next example is factors of 48 are, here the factors of 48 are 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24, 48. So when we multiply the two numbers, like here when we multiply 1 with 48, we get the answer which is 48. And when we multiply 2 with the 24, then again we get the answer which is 48. So we will say that this 1, this 48, this 2 and this 24 are the factors of 48. So the numbers which both are multiplied with each other to get the product, then we will say that these numbers are the factors of the product. Factor multiply by factors mean we have to multiply these two. Here we multiply two numbers to get the product. So this product is a main number, and these are the numbers which are called the factors of this main number. So at last we will say that 4 will be multiplied with the 12, so we will get the answer which is 48. So we will say that this 4 and 12 are also the factors of 48. When we multiply 6 with 8, then we also get the answer which is 48. So we will say that 6 and 8 are also the multiples of the, are the factors of the 48. So students, we will start with the least table, like we will start with the 1 and then we will move so on. Like we will find out that either 1 is the table in which that number is given, then we move to other table step by step to find out the factors of the given number. So to find the factors of a number, first divide by 1. We have to divide the number with the 1. We start with the 1 and then keep working down using the next number that will divide exactly. Now we have to find, for finding the factors of any number, that number should be divisible exactly to the number. Like here are some examples. Like if we observe 20, then when we multiply 1 with the 20, we will get the 20. Then when we multiply 2 with the 10, we get answer which is 20. Now in the table of 3, 20 is not given, so we will move to the table which is of 4. Then when we multiply 4 with the 5, then we will get the answer which is 20. So we will say that this 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20, these are the factors of the 20. Like here we have the example of 24, 48 and 96. These all are the factors of the above mentioned numbers. Now next, move to the common factors. That how can we find out the common factors? From the name of this topic, common factors mean there should be something which is common. Which something? We are talking about the factors. So the factors which are common in both of the numbers, or the numbers which are given, we will say that these factors are the common factors. Now in the given example, here are written the factors of 18, which are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. And next we have the factors of 6, which are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Next we have the factors of 30, which are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. These are the factors of 18, 6 and 30. Now we have to find out the common factors. So first of all, we have to observe that which are the factors which are common in all of these numbers. Then we will observe that the common factors of 18, 6 and 30 are 1, 2, 3 and this 6, which are given in all these numbers. These are the factors which are given in all the factors of these numbers. So we will say that these are the common factors of these three numbers. Which numbers? 18, 6 and 30. Now here is the criteria which, with the help of which we can find out the common factors. I have another example. Here are the list of the factors of the 12, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And in other list we have the factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. These are the factors of 18. Now we have to find out the common factors from there. Then we will say that this 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the common factors of 12 and 18. Let's move to another example, which is the example for the factors of 64 and 96. Now here we can observe the list of two numbers of the factors of two numbers, which first list is the factors of 64 and next list is the factor of 96. Now in next picture we will see that the common factors of 64 and 96. Here are marked the common factors of the numbers which are 64 and 96. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32 are the common factors of 64 and 96. With the help of this method, you can find out the common factors or the factors of any number which can be provided.